I'm Brian with AHS Property Care and Landscape Supply. We're here doing a maintenance mow in Battle Creek, Michigan for Bedford Township. This yard hasn't been mowed all year. It's pretty tall. First time using the brush rover. It's a pretty comfortable, easy machine to use. A lot of versatility with it, which for as compact as it is, it's pretty impressive. Normally it would take me 3-4 times cut it with my normal equipment. But the thing, it's really comfortable, it's quick, doesn't bog down. As far as power, it's got plenty of power. Comfortable, it's easy to operate. Yeah, using my other machines versus using this one, it is way quicker. My other machines, you know, they're a lot bigger. This one is more apt for smaller yards. You could definitely do a big area with it. With as compact as it is, going around obstacles, and you know, just put the roll bar down, it'll go around just about anything. You know, you got low hanging branches. Having the hand forward and reverse versus the foot forward and reverse is nice when you go under low hanging branches, because you can take your hand off going forward and use your foot and use both hands to, you know, push the branches out of your way, which makes that's really nice. It's easy to turn, you know, you can turn around real quick versus my other machines that I use. I would definitely buy one. It's a great machine. I like it. Anybody else who buys one, they'll find the same conclusion. They're gonna love it.